Following Ethereum's price surge above $4,000, investors are targeting specific altcoins for huge wins in the bull market. Pepe, Bonk, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and ETF Swap, ETFs, are 4 altcoins expected to deliver over 33,000% portfolio gains in 2025. These altcoins are positioned for massive gains, driven by growing investor interest and other upcoming key triggers for a price rally. Read on to see why each of these coins is on this list. ETF Swap, ETFs, could lead the pack in this bull market. ETF Swap, ETFs, is emerging as a leading altcoin gem to bet on for massive gain in this market cycle. The token has recently gone live on Uniswap and is available for public trading following its massive pre-sale success. ETF Swap, ETFs, also passed the KYC audit by Solidproof, satisfying a crucial process that shows the legitimacy of the project. ETF Swap, ETFs, is an emerging platform that aims to deliver the global ETF market on-chain. The new platform will offer tokenized ETFs backed by actual securities from TradFi, enabling the tokenized assets to maintain that real-time market value. This new market solution presents some massive prospects, and its pre-sale success suggests a strong belief in its potential by early investors. While it's already trading live on Uniswap, its market price allows the perfect opportunity to buy in for impressive gains ahead. Analyst predictions target up to a 30,000% price move from its current price, delivering impressive profits for investors getting in before the rest of the market catches up. Furthermore, ETF Swap, ETFs, will be partnering with regulated investment banks that trade both securities and crypto to enable cross-compatibility between both markets. This functionality allows users to execute easy swaps between ETFs and cryptocurrencies. Moreover, this positions ETF Swap, ETFs, as the ideal platform for crypto investors to experience the ETF market. At the same time, the new platform hopes to entice TradFi investors to experience some unique on-chain features without the restrictions on centralized trading platforms. Investors are getting in early on ETF Swap, ETFs, ahead of a major market move, and you should get in before the token hits full throttle. You can now track the price live on CoinMarketCap. Pepe presents explosive gains amid bull market momentum. Pepe makes it to this list of altcoins for its explosive potential in the brewing bull market. Pepe is a cartoon-inspired meme coin that offers some uniqueness for meme coin lovers. Being a popular internet meme over the years, Pepe has become the favorite pick for many investors riding into the bull run. As of this writing, Pepe is trading at $0.000023 with a $9 billion market cap. The meme coin has had over 14x price growth in the past year and is setting up for a takeover of Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin. Betting on Pepe to become the largest meme coin in the market is compelling reason enough for most. Investors are targeting new highs on Bonk is a Solana-based meme coin with the potential to impress in the run. Bonk is a favorite amongst other altcoins for its potential to grow, with Solana, Sol, leading an altcoin season. Bonk is another dog meme coin in the market, but it's decently priced for potential market gains. As of this writing, Bonk is trading at $0.00004612 with a $3.48 billion market cap. While Bonk has surged by over 300% in the past year, the potential for continued uptrend is enticing investments from crypto enthusiasts. Shiba Inu, SHIB, could deliver decent gains before 2025. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is the second largest meme coin, with some aim of becoming the largest. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is a dog meme coin inspired by Doge, but investors are betting on its stronger community culture for a potential surge. As of this writing, Shiba Inu, SHIB, is trading at $0.00003191 with a $18.8 billion market cap. While Shiba Inu, SHIB, is considered a large cap for meme coins, it remains one of the best altcoins to buy in this brewing bull market. Moreover, Shiba Inu, SHIB, led the market to the best gains in the previous bull run, so investors are counting on some gas left in the tank. Conclusion: Pepe, Bonk, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and ETF Swap, ETFs, are all solid altcoins that could deliver massive gains in this bull run. However, ETF Swap, ETFs, is emerging as a clear favorite for its towering growth prospects. ETF Swap, ETFs, is trading on Uniswap at a cheap entry, and this could be the perfect gem to bet on for this bull run.